Okay, since I have to take off the drive shaft and probably roll the truck around, I don't think that I want to leave it with only a small gap on the pavement, on the sidewalk. I'm probably going to move this thing up a little bit further onto the sidewalk and give myself some run room to maybe get this thing up another foot, because I'll probably need to push it around, and I don't want it to be near the lip of the sidewalk. So you want to put it on a little further. There we go. I'm still in low range. Take off the brake. And I'm just going to go a little further here. Let's see how it goes. Okay, that's probably good. Let's take a look at this. That's probably enough. Okay. Turn this thing off. Put the e-brake back on. The e-brake does not work very well in this truck. And now I'll get the tools.